Hi, hello, how are you, friends? Welcome to EMDS Coaching Institute Kuradla, and I am your coach Mohammed Soel. So, friends, today in this video, we are going to learn the general science important myths which recently have been asked in Group D exams and RRB and TPC exams, non technical popular categories exams in general science studies. So, let's see the today's topic with the first question. The main function of vitamin K is present in. The main function of vitamin K is present in. Our options are A. Blood clotting, B. Skin health, C. Calcium absorption, D. Immune system. So the correct answer is option A. Blood clotting. The main function of vitamin K is present in blood clotting. So friends, next question. Which of these bol- blood components carries oxygen? Which of these blood components carries oxygen? And our options are A. Plasma, B. WBC, C. Platelet, D. RBC. So the correct answer is option D. RBC. RBC carries oxygen. Next question. The disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called. The disease caused by deficiency of protein in children is called. Our options are A. Kwashiorkor, B. Beriberi, C. Rickets, D. Pellagra. Correct option is option A. Kwashiorkor. Next question. Gas leaked during Bhopal tragedy was. Gas leaked during Bhopal tragedy was. Option A. Ethyl isothiocyanate, B. Methyl isocyanate, C. Potassium isothiocyanate, D. Sodium isothiocyanate. So the correct option is option B. Methyl isocyanate. Gas leaked during Bhopal tragedy in 1984 was methyl isocyanate. Next question. Arthritis. Arthritis is a disease that affects the option A joints, option B kidneys, option C lungs, option D brain. So the correct option is option A joints. Arthritis is a disease that affects the joints. Next question. Which of the following component imparts green color to the leaves? Which of the following components imparts green color to leaves? Options are A. Chlorophyll, option B. Urea, option C. Nitrogen, option D. Water. So the correct option is option A. Chlorophyll. Next question. Which hormone regulates the amount of sugar in human blood? Which hormone regulates the amount of sugar in human blood? Our options are A. Estrogen, B. Testosterone, C. Insulin, D. Parathormone. So the correct option is option C. Insulin. Insulin is the hormone regulates the amount of sugar in human blood. Next question. Where is the pituitary gland located in the human body? Where is the pituitary gland located in the human body? And your options are present in the intestine. Option B present at the base of the brain. Option C present on the top of kidneys. Option D present near the spleen. So the correct option is present at the base of the brain. Pituitary gland is present at the base of the brain. Next question. Where is insulin produced in the human body? Where is insulin produced in the human body? And your options are A. Liver, B. Spleen, C. Pancreas, D. Bile duct. So the correct option is option C. Pancreas. in pancreas, insulin is produced in human body. Next question. Bronze is an alloy of. Bronze is an alloy of. Option A, zinc and iron. Option B, copper and tin. Option C, tin and zinc. Option D, iron and mercury. Correct option is option B, copper and tin. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Next question. Which acid is present in sour milk? Which acid is present in sour milk? And your options are A, citric acid, B, acetic acid, C, glycolic acid, D, lactic acid. So the correct option is option D, lactic acid is present in sour milk. Next question. Solid carbon dioxide is known as. Solid carbon dioxide is known as. Option A, solid ice. Option B, wet ice. Option C, dry ice. Option D, gas ice. So the correct option is option C, dry ice. Solid carbon dioxide is known as dry ice. Next question. Which of the following acids is present in red ants? Which of the following acids is present in red ants? Options are A, formic acid, B, oxalic acid, C, tannic acid, D, malic acid. Correct answer is option A, formic acid. Formic acid is present in red ants. Next question. The energy stored in a dry cell is in the form of. The energy stored in a dry cell is in the form of. Option A, chemical energy. Option B, kinetic energy. Option C, potential energy. Option D, nuclear energy. So the correct option is option A, chemical energy. Energy stored in a dry cell is in the form of chemical energy. Next question. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of. An isotope of iodine is used in the treatment of. Your options are A, goiter, B, rickets, C, nyctalopia, D, scurvy. So the correct option is option A, goiter. Next question. Which vitamin is the most essential for a healthy immune system? Which vitamin is the most essential for a healthy immune system? And your options are A, folic acid, B, vitamin K, C, vitamin A, D, vitamin C. So the correct option is vitamin C. Vitamin C is the most essential vitamin for a healthy immune system. Next question. Bile secreted by liver helps in. Bile secreted by liver helps in. Option A, digestion. Option B, purification of blood. Option C, respiration. Option D, excretion. So the correct option is option A, digestion. Bile secreted by liver helps in digestion. Next question. The junction between two neurons is called. The junction between two neurons is called. Option A, synapse. Option B, node of Ranvier. Option C, motor end plate. Option D, gap junction. So the correct option is option A, synapse. The junction between two neurons is called as synapse. Next question. Which of the following vitamin deficiencies is fulfilled by golden rice? Which of the following vitamin deficiencies is fulfilled by golden rice? And your options are A, vitamin K, B, vitamin A, C, vitamin B, D, vitamin C. So the correct option is vitamin A. Vitamin A is the correct answer. Next question, where is the longest bone is present in the human body? Where is the longest bone present in the human body? Option A, the leg. Option B, the thigh. Option C, the upper arm. Option D, the arm. So the correct answer is the thigh. In the thigh, longest bone is present. And the smallest bone is present in the middle ear. In middle ear, human body, in middle ear we can find the smallest bone, and the longest bone is present in the thigh. So friends, by this question we are going to wind up the video. If you like this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts, please type in the comment section box. Follow social distance, follow physical distance, wear your mask, prepare well, work hard. I will meet you in the next video with the new topic. Till then, thank you one and all.